Hey guys, Melissa here, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this pair of earrings here. It's super long, so I'm always working with my box of washers, and I wanted to incorporate different sizes of washers for this tutorial, so I just grabbed a whole bunch of different sizes and made a pair of earrings. They're pretty long, they're over 4 inches, but they're really light, so I think they would be fun. I like Halloween, so I'd probably wear them for Halloween. If you want to see how I made these, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so as you know, or you might know, I've been doing a lot of copper washer jewelry lately. I have this kit here. I'm always trying to think of what to do with them. So today I want to make some snazzy long dangle earrings and incorporate a bunch of these washers. See, I'm going through the large ones pretty fast here, so I'm going to grab some small ones. These thinner ones are what I would want, so I'll grab 2 at a time. These are pretty thin. Let's grab these guys. Those are pretty thin. And then these. So I think that would be long enough. I grabbed a bag of pre-made 18 gauge figure 8 links. Hopefully I have enough here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. Two, 4, 8. So I need a couple more of those. Grab some 18 gauge, and they're 1 inch. Let me cut this flush. For these you need round nose pliers. And you just make a loop on either side there. Oh, left one in here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Perfect. Well, since I cut this one, I'll make it real quick. I'll also need a couple jump rings for the top to attach the ear wires. I have this coil of 16 gauge and they're 8mm. The inside diameter is 5mm. Of course, these are handmade too. I made them myself or coiled them myself. Okay, so they're almost ready to assemble, but I want to hammer them first. So as always, I'm going to speed this up. So I don't know if you noticed during that, I changed to a smaller hammer. When I got to the last few smaller rings, I thought the texture would look nicer with a smaller hammer. I just happened to have one available, so I used it. Alright, so all we have left to do is assemble. Grab a couple pliers here. I like opening jump rings and loops with, or figure 8 links with flat nose. That. It's pretty lightweight too, I think. Let's do the other side. Next we attach our jump ring. You don't have to use super big ones. I like the look of chunky jump rings. It's just needed to attach the air wire. Super long. Alright, before we go any further, I'm going to go ahead and oxidize these. Oh my gosh, these were so easy to make. Let me grab some ear wires. I'm just gonna grab a generic pair from Hobby Lobby. So we're having this on. Anyway, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this. This was super simple. Hopefully you make a pair of your own. Anyway, if you liked this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one.